So I've been working on a hollowing here that I'm going to carve in a little bit, but I just finished hollowing it, and when you look at the shape, it's still really thick at the bottom. I left it thick on the bottom on purpose because when you're hollowing and putting pressure in here, there's a lot of torque going on. So you don't want to narrow this thing down until after you've hollowed it out, because if it's narrowed down way down like this, you're going to get vibration, and it's going to be hard to keep the control of the tool on the inside. So when you're doing a hollowing, leave a good sized base on here. This wood's not going to waste. It's serving a purpose and giving you a lot of stability is the way to put it. So now I can narrow it down to where I want the base to be before I start doing the rest of my carving or whatever I want to do to this. I could even part it off now because I have the inside done.